we install the software. That's why it's on time. I will start within a minute. The screen is visible. So our topic is social and environmental importance of electric. So let's note it down. So till last session I have discussed the history of the electric vehicles. We have discussed the history of the electric vehicles in India. So the shift that is towards the battery operated electric vehicles, you can abbreviate it into BEV. So it's just a technological upgrade towards the future. So it is a fundamental reconstruction of how humanity moves to build to address some of our most urgent global economical and social crises. Okay, so we know in each and every country the fossil fuels are not available. Okay, the fuel is not available. If you are using gasoline vehicles, fuel shortage will be there. If you are using steam, we need big size boilers to use steam as the fuel. Okay, so if we are using only batteries, okay, we have to recharge the batteries again and again. That's why the designers or the designers who are designing their vehicles, they are trying to develop the hybrid electric vehicles so that whoever buys the hybrid electric vehicle, we need not depend on the battery for the vehicle to run, or we need not depend on the gasoline to run the vehicle. Okay, so depending on this requirement, depending on the fuel is available, we can easily operate this vehicle. Okay, so if we are using only battery operated vehicles, audible? Can you mention in the chat box? I hope my voice is clear now. I have already, since I have internet connectivity issue, I thought let me create the Google form and upload in the chat box so that meanwhile you people can fill the Google form. Okay, so today's session is on social and environmental importance of electric vehicles. So, as we have already discussed about the history, so we have seen that. So as we move towards using the battery-operated electric vehicles, okay, so it is just the technological upgrade. So it is a fundamental restructuring of how we humans move, build, and address some of the most urgent global ecological and social crisis. Okay, so we know what sort of crisis that we have. Each and every country will have some or the other crisis. So based on the crisis each respective country have, so in order to move forward, in order to advance the technology, okay, whatever restrictions that they have to overcome them. So fully electrical vehicles, that is battery operated electrical vehicles, they are designed to completely decouple the transportation of these fossil fuels from the other countries, especially the countries in which the fuel scarcity is there or shortage is there, you can say. Such countries, they mostly it's better to move towards uh, developing the technology in terms of means the automobiles. Okay, to design the automobiles which can operate with battery instead of relying on the fossil fuels. Okay, if fossil fuels are not available in their country, so if gasoline shortage is there in a specific country, that country should definitely move towards electric vehicles. Means the automobiles that are used in that particular country should should be electric vehicles. That is more beneficial for them when compared to importing the fossil fuels or the gasoline from the other countries. Okay, so as we have already discussed in the previous session about uh, we have discussed about the electric vehicles as well as hybrid electric vehicles. So hybrid electric vehicles are the one in which both electric battery will be there, gasoline fuel will also be there. So you can see I'm showing you two images here. In these images you can see the electric vehicle. This is our electric vehicle here, electric motor and battery is there. This is the plug-in, okay, to charge the battery. Okay, so it's 100% operating on the electrical energy. Okay, the fuel that is here used is the electricity from the grid. So if we are using hybrid vehicle, okay, so see if by this from this image you may not assume, but if you see this just an image, but if you carefully observe the battery, this battery and this battery, if you compare the battery, see automatically what happens if it's a hybrid vehicle, the battery size reduces. Okay, when compared to the electrical vehicle which operates only on battery. So this in this hybrid vehicle, okay, so small battery is required and a tank to fill the gasoline or petrol. So, and a small motor is required, electric motor is required. This is gasoline engine. Okay, so here not only gasoline, along with that we also use the electrical energy. Okay, or according to this image, what here in this image, usually hybrid vehicles they operate both means they can be charged, their batteries can be charged. Okay, so in this hybrid vehicle you see here they are using only gasoline as fuel, but okay, that gasoline which is used to operate this engine, okay, so here it operates the motor, hence this battery is charged. Okay, so in this specific hybrid electric vehicle which I am showing you here in this image, there is no need to charge the battery. It's the motor itself. When motor runs, battery is charged here. Or so we know motor it can. So I no need to discuss about its construction. I wanted to just tell you that a machine it can operate either as what to say, both motor construction of both motor and generator is okay. So plus point is not shown, but usually hybrid vehicles, their fuel will be both gasoline and electrical energy, but they are not 100% operating on either electrical energy or on gasoline. Okay, so these are some other types of electric vehicles. So this, if you see here, this is battery operated electric vehicle. So here only battery, electric motor which operates at regenerative braking. So 100% electricity means electrical disconnected to the which it consumes energy from the grid. That's it. Next, another type of okay, hybrid electric vehicles. If you see here, so they have both electric motor, battery, and gasoline filling tank. Okay, they also operate at regenerative braking. This is the engine of this what is it, hybrid vehicle. Okay, so next, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. See this image, other image that which I have shown you here. There is no need to charge the battery. Okay, as the engine runs, automatically battery also is charged, but it won't require much charge. Why? Because it's a small battery. So this is the large battery. Whereas in this image, if you carefully observe, the battery is plugged in. Okay, as well as gasoline tank is also there. Here electric motor, combustion engine, and it operates on regenerative braking. Okay, so that's why it is known as plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. So most of the hybrid electric vehicles that are available on road, they are plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Okay. Next type of electric vehicle is fuel cell vehicle. Fuel cell vehicle means you can see here there will be a hydrogen tank and fuel cell. Okay, and of course there will be a battery. It is also battery operated. See, you have to charge it with the battery. Okay, and here hydrogen and or electrical energy is used. Okay, you can run with either hydrogen or with the energy that is stored in the battery. So if you compare the size of the battery of this battery operated electric vehicle and fuel cell electric vehicle, the battery size will be approximately same. Only the difference is that either you can operate with hydrogen gas or battery. So these are few vehicles, electric vehicles we can say. Okay, so if you see here it's here these images you just observe. So this battery operated electric vehicle operates only on electrical energy. This plug-in hybrid electric vehicle operates both on gasoline and electrical energy, whereas hybrid electric vehicle fuel is only gasoline, that is petrol or diesel, but it has a small battery and electrical motor. Okay, so most of the preferred vehicles are this. Okay, most of the people prefer this sort of vehicles. Next, another type, fuel cell electric vehicle. It operates either on hydrogen gas or using the electrical energy that is stored in the battery. Now, Let us see the environmental importance of these electric vehicles. So if you see there in the on the screen, um, there are some benefits on the environment due to these electric vehicles. Okay, those benefits are: it cuts the global emission. Okay, it cuts the global emission means I think I have I had some more images. Okay, I will discuss later. It cuts its global emission. That means it produces zero tailpipe emission. Means it won't produce. There will not be any carbon dioxide released from this rear end, from its rear end. Okay, zero tailpipe emission. Okay, that is one of the advantage. Okay, next is it helps to reduce greenhouse gases. It even combats the climate changes. Okay, so that is cutting global emission. Next, utilizing energy more efficiently. Okay, so these electrical vehicles, they consume energy from the grid, isn't it? So when compared to conventional vehicles, electric vehicles are more energy efficient. In detail, I will discuss later. Okay, next. So they clean up overall economical footprints. Okay, they produce clean air. There will not be any noise pollution. Okay, they protect the ecosystem. Okay, they are sustainable in future. They can sustain in the future. So these are all the benefits of the electric vehicles, because of which we should prefer electric vehicles when compared to the conventional vehicles. Okay, so I hope actually due to internet connectivity issue, I couldn't go in detail. I couldn't discuss in detail about these benefits. Okay, means advantages of electric vehicles on the environment. So we'll discuss in detail about the advantages of these electric vehicles on the environment in the next session. Okay, since the time is up, I'm concluding the session now. If people fill the Google form, you can fill the Google form and what happened? Yeah, you can fill the Google form and leave this session. Okay, 20 people have responded already. If anyone else who have not yet filled the Google form, fill the Google form and you can leave the session. Yeah, I'm concluding the session.